Whoop. We got something in the mail. Hey, what is up, guys? It's Josh with Lead and Iron, and today we are unboxing a pressure washer from DecoGear because we like to wash our cars and there's some stuff around the house that we want to clean up. We've been in the market for a pressure washer for a little bit, came across this, and we're going to test it out. Let you guys know how it is. We're going to unbox it together, put it together, and test it out. I'm going to go ahead and show you what is inside this box first. And it's just paperwork, instruction manual, even come with little tools, different type of nozzles for the hose, and some attachments so you can get your things in order here. That looks like a cover. I think that's that. With the little accessories. I'm just trying a new way of recording, seeing if you guys like it or not. So there it is. Cool little pressure washer we have here. Pops right out. Not heavy at all. And here's the rest of the stuff. Here's the handle. The rest of the stuff, we got our hose and then our nozzle. This looks like this is going to be like a wand extender-ish type. Then it looks like a foamer. So you would put your soap and stuff or your any type of concentrate in here. And I think that would create foam. So that's awesome already. Something to put all your nozzles together here in one spot. So I think that's it, guys. Sure is. I'm going to put this box on the floor and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, let's start off with this. Looks like there's just a little cable tie holding this bag on. I can tell you already, it's well built. It's nice and sturdy. All right, here's what the front of it looks like. And then all these little things are just gonna get connected through there. So maybe this looks like your water, your connection here. And then, okay. And then your hose comes out here. So that's that. And here is the nozzle that probably goes into this. And then our hose, which comes out that way. So I'm gonna put this together and then I'll bring you guys back. So one thing I wanted to come tell you guys is it's really nice when all the screws are the same length. It's really easy to put together. You can see the spots where things go. Technically, I really don't need the instruction manual, but so far, real simple assembly, real simple. Something else that's really cool is it came with tools, so I didn't have to really go get anything, and I can do everything right here. What is up, guys? I'm back. This was really simple to build. I'm telling you, it was like 10 minutes tops. These slid into place. 8 total screws, so it was 4 right here, and then 2 on this handle, so it stays in place. And that's it. That was literally it. It was so simple to put together. Clean stuff right off. It's awesome. I love this thing. I love this thing. It was so easy to put together, so easy to use. Yeah. Plus, I ain't paying $6 a gallon for gas to power it. Look at that. Look at that. Just chomping away at it. It's awesome.